Good morning. Welcome to the forecast discussion for September 9th, 2013. It's currently 9:30 a.m. We have basically clear skies throughout the Philadelphia and New York City metropolitan area, with winds light and variable, veering to the east and eventually to the south by this afternoon as high pressure exits off the east coast. Temperatures currently range from the mid to upper 50s over the northern interior and the lower to mid 60s along the coast, a few upper 60s along the New Jersey coast. Temperatures today will rebound nicely into the upper 70s to lower 80s along the Philadelphia and New York City metropolitan area corridor, and right along the coast, basically in the lower to mid 70s. Overall, it's going to be a very, very nice day. Moderate humidity, temperatures pretty much near normal, and clear skies. Can't ask for much more for early September with high pressure shifting off the coast. But that's what's going to be very important over the next couple of days. This high pressure system will continue to move off the East Coast and set up shop. And on the backside of this high pressure is all this humidity that is building up throughout the Tennessee and Ohio River valleys. And all that humidity is going to get driven right into the Philadelphia and New York City metropolitan areas, leading to a rebound in temperatures to more summer-like conditions with temperatures in the mid to upper 80s for highs and levels of humidity such that it would feel like the lower to mid 90s. So it's going to be rather steamy and hot and humid starting tomorrow, especially on Wednesday, and ending on Thursday. When we zoom out a bit and look at the surface map over much of the northern tier here, you can see this high pressure system again is going to shift off the coast. Keep an eye on this low pressure system and this cold front and this cold front here. These cold fronts are going to combine, and what's going to happen is that this cold front is going to drive through the Philadelphia and New York City metropolitan areas on Thursday. But I'm getting ahead of myself. First, this stationary front. This stationary front is going to wash out, lift northward, and that's when the hot and humid air is going to invade the northern mid-Atlantic starting tomorrow. This cold front moves through on Thursday, and with it the potential for strong to severe thunderstorms, because behind this cold front we fall back into the 60s and 70s for highs. So as you can see, we're dealing with a wide variety of weather coming up over this upcoming week with a high level of volatility as we go from the 70s to the upper 80s to lower 90s and back down to the upper 60s to lower 70s for highs. So it's going to be a rather roller coaster type weather pattern over the next 7 days throughout the Philadelphia and New York City metropolitan area. On the radar here, you can see pretty much not much is going on out here as we are high and dry. And on the infrared satellite picture, again, you can see our high pressure systems in control. We have a bit of a northwesterly flow aloft, allowing for some sky cloud cover. Now, what's going to be interesting moving forward for tomorrow and for Wednesday as this stationary front washes out is that we've got to watch out for some of these disturbances trying to lift north and east from the Ohio River Valley up into the northern mid-Atlantic. Could spark an isolated shower or thunderstorm, and those thunderstorms at times, although isolated, can become rather severe. So we're going to keep an eye on that. Not anything widespread, but all you need is one thunderstorm to cause some trouble around the Philadelphia and New York City metropolitan areas in terms of traffic and air travel and whatnot. So we'll keep an eye on that. Here's the latest model guidance from the Penn State EWOL website using the European model guidance. Again, for this afternoon and evening, high pressure is off the coast. Our ridge is starting to build at 500 millibars, and we start to warm up. We start to see the warm conditions tomorrow where temperatures are going to be in the mid 80s throughout much of the Philadelphia and New York City metropolitan area. A few upper 80s possible in the Delaware River Valley, basically between Newark and, let's say, Camden, New Jersey. Could see a few upper 80s, let's say about 87, 88 degrees. High pressure will be in control, but again, you can't rule out an isolated shower or thunderstorm with this warm air invading from the south and west. For Wednesday, this is where it's going to be the hottest. We have the warmest 850 millibar temperatures moving over. We have strong southwesterly winds at all levels of the atmosphere. And we have high pressure pretty much in control, leading to sinking air. So all of these factors will combine to produce 1 day of well above normal temperatures. We're talking about temperatures in the mid to upper 80s in the New York City metropolitan area, upper 80s to lower 90s in the Philadelphia metropolitan area. Again, between Newark and southwestern New Jersey. That's where I think you'll see the best potential for temperatures to hit 90, 91 degrees. Otherwise, I think most locations are around 88, 89. Right along the coast, lower to mid 80s, especially over Long Island, basically the lower 80s. If you move along the New Jersey coast, basically 85, 86. So it's going to be like a summer-like day. But it's only going to last basically one day. Because on Thursday, a very strong cold front is going to move through. Now, the timing of this cold front is still debatable, but based on all the information I have in front of me right now, when this cold front moves through, we're going to know it because it's going to produce showers and thunderstorms. And some of those thunderstorms will have the capability of becoming severe with very heavy downpours, frequent lightning, wind gusts over 50 miles per hour, possibly some hail. This cold front needs to be watched. Now, the earlier it moves through, the better, because you have less dynamics in the atmosphere, less instability. So again, the timing of this cold front is key here. So Thursday is going to be a very interesting day to watch. Once this cold front moves through, again, you're going to know it because the winds are going to shift to the northwest and the humidity is going to crash like a rock. Behind this cold front, now remember, ahead of this cold front, temperatures in the mid to upper 80s. Behind this cold front, high temperatures will struggle in the lower to mid 70s. So basically, Thursday's low will be Friday's high. And it's going to be even cooler on Saturday, where we're going to have this high pressure system sitting right overhead, clear skies, beautiful weather conditions, temperatures in the mid to upper 60s over the northern interior, upper 60s to lower 70s along the coast and in New York City and Philadelphia. Then on Sunday, we moderate just a little bit with temperatures throughout the region in the lower to mid 70s, with another cold front approaching, reinforcing that polar air mass. So we're shifting from basically 1 to 2 days of very, very hot temperatures for this time of year. Okay, because we don't normally see 90-degree temperatures in September. It does happen from time to time, but it's obviously above normal. So 1 to 2 days of these hot temperatures, then a strong cold front on Thursday with showers and thunderstorms, and then we revert back to reality and actually below normal temperatures for Friday and this upcoming weekend with high pressure and control. So at the very least, if you have outdoor plans for this upcoming weekend, no worries. Completely clear out there. A little bit cool, a little bit chilly, but sunny out. That is your forecast discussion for today. Of course, I'm your meteorologist, Stephen DiMartino. Follow the latest weather information at nynjpaweather.com and nynjpaweather on Twitter and Facebook. Have a wonderful day. Stay safe out there.